Let's dive into Sjogren's syndrome, a complex autoimmune disorder. This explanation will cover its definition, symptoms, causes, diagnosis, treatment, and complications. Sjogren's syndrome is a chronic autoimmune disease where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own moisture producing glands. This primarily affects the glands that produce tears and saliva, that is, the lacrimal and salivary glands, leading to dry eyes and dry mouth. The hallmark symptoms of Sjogren's syndrome are dry eyes. Patients often experience a gritty or burning sensation, redness, and sensitivity to light. Dry mouth. This can lead to difficulty swallowing, speaking, and an increased risk of dental cavities and oral infections. Other symptoms may include fatigue, profound and chronic tiredness, arthralgia or arthritis, swelling of the salivary glands, skin rashes, vaginal dryness leading to discomfort and infections, and systemic involvement such as affecting organs like kidneys, lungs, liver, pancreas, and the central nervous system. The exact cause of Sjogren's syndrome is unknown, but it is believed to result from a combination of genetic, environmental, and possibly hormonal factors. It often occurs alongside other autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. Diagnosing Sjogren's syndrome can be challenging due to its overlapping symptoms with other conditions. Key diagnostic steps include blood tests to check for specific antibodies, for example, anti-SSA-RO and anti-SSB-LA. Schirmer's test, which measures tear production. Salivary gland function tests to assess saliva flow. Lip biopsy, which examines minor salivary glands for inflammation. There is no cure for Sjogren's syndrome, but treatments focus on relieving symptoms and preventing complications. Artificial tears and saliva substitutes to manage dryness. Medications such as pilocarpine and cevimeline to stimulate saliva production. Immunosuppressive drugs for severe systemic involvement. Good oral hygiene to prevent dental issues. Regular monitoring for potential complications like lymphoma. If left untreated, Sjogren's syndrome can lead to several complications: dental caries due to reduced saliva, oral thrush due to fungal infections in the mouth, vision problems from chronic dry eyes. There is increased risk of developing non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in cases of Sjogren's syndrome, and peripheral neuropathy due to nerve damage causing pain and numbness. Sjogren's syndrome is a multifaceted autoimmune disorder requiring a comprehensive approach to diagnosis and management. Early detection and tailored treatments can significantly improve the quality of life for patients. If you have any specific questions or need further details, feel free to ask. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, make sure to drop a like. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. Recently, I have published a book on general pathology lecture notes. It will be greatly beneficial for students wanting to quickly revise basic concepts of general pathology. The link to buy the book online is given in the comments.